Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. My name is Oliver Lepke and I help network marketers grow their business. In today's video, I have a short and powerful message. This is the most powerful message you can get for network marketers, and this is the message that most network marketers make. And no wonder they're not making money. And they're not making money for one simple reason. A lot of network marketers, they're trying to figure out something, how to make this work, and the answer is work. Even if you're bad, even if you don't know what you're doing, I'm telling you, if you do enough work, you will learn how to do it better because you will gain more experience. So more prospecting, more reaching out, more selling, more sharing about your products, more sharing about your business. Do that kind of work and I guarantee you, you will make more money. Simple as that. It doesn't get any more simpler. No better in how bad situation you are. If you do more work, you will get more experience. Simple as that. And if no matter how much you don't know, you will learn more. You will become better when you put more work in. Simple as that. So hopefully this was inspirational for you, and simply go do more work. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day, and I'll see you again in another session of Driving and Learning.